Testing. Hello guys, and today we got Legos, and they're about to fight. It's gonna be a good battle, and these are the leaders, and I hope you like this show. It's not gonna be violence or anything. Wait, it's not gonna be violence or anything. So let's battle. Hey you wanna fight? Yeah, so what? Yeah, you wanna see my army? Take this, my sniper rifle with a 50 sniper rifle, and he's very powerful. Do you like to encounter that? Wait guys, wait. This thing falls apart a little fast, so wait, yep. Okay. Yeah, so how about this, huh? Sheesh, you got... Woo, these guys never stand up good. Wait, how about that, yeah? How do you like that, huh? I got this guy. This guy's a sniper. Do you want to fight me now? No. Do you want to fight my army? Yeah, we got the secret weapon. What is it, huh? No, we're not gonna show you. So we want a battle? Let's do it. We got 10 seconds. Starts now. 10 seconds to participate. Ready for the fight. And I'm gonna add sounds, so boy, oh boy, this is gonna be good. So this sniper rifle go here. So now the battle begins. And watch to the end, because let's see the secret weapon. But before now, let's see. They're overnumbered, but they have a secret weapon. So let's battle. Fire! Sniper! Yep, one guy down. Cover me up, boys. Yes. Oh dear, one of our snipers are down. 2 of our snipers are down. Dang it. Oh well, you wanna fight me? Oh, you had to go to the secret weapon first. Bring in the anti-firing missile launcher. Yeah, these guys is screwed. Seriously? Really? The anti-firing cannon's done? Well, it's a 1v1. I have better gear than you, but I have stronger armor. An epic battle series. Both of the teams are damaged. The guns of them are damaged, very damaged. But then he pulls out the secret weapon, the rifle of the dance, and finish up the final blow. And victoriously, the military team won the battle. Bye. Bye guys. Hope you like this video. And bye. Wait. And the final show. Bye. See you next time. Come on, done now with his radio.